This is Nick. He makes music. Emma is a painter. Steve? He sells electronics. And this is a software company. They want to create a platform where Nick, Emma, Steve and many other users can build their websites and manage their things. Now, do you see all these things users are thinking about? These are entities. Each entity represents a single thing in their field. This could be a concert, a painting, an exhibition, a phone, or anything you can store data about. And since platforms want more and more users, they need to handle more and more entities. But it's impossible to implement all of them in a single platform. That's why developers classify entities and replace them with generic solutions. For example, the album, the painting, the phone and the laptop. They are all handled by a product entity. The concert, the exhibition, event entity, and so on. A new software product has been created. Unfortunately, that's not exactly what users were thinking about. Although there is some level of customization, ready-made software will never meet your exact needs. Besides having a negative impact on the performance, generic software typically becomes more complicated to use. But most important, when you use a solution everyone has access to, it's hard to stand out and express your unique brand vision. One way to differentiate your brand is by creating a software solution that no one else has. So, instead of trying to build the perfect software, we decided to create a software builder. eBuildia is a web-based interface that is using metaprogramming and AI to generate the entire source code and infrastructure of your app. You create your website entities. AI connects them in the right relations, suggests fields and behaviors. Code generators are building your website, APIs, database, all in scalable containers. Cloud ready. Welcome to next generation platform.